Cades Cove is a Smokies highlight, stretches where grassy valleys side up to towering mountains, truly a gem of nature. Enhancing this native masterpiece is the goal behind research by UTIA's Forestry, Wildlife, and Fisheries Department. Here Professor Craig Harper and graduate student Bonner Powell survey the area of a study they're doing in the national park.
Restoration of grasslands, old fields, oak and pine savannas, and other early successional vegetation communities is very important.
Cades Cove is known for its wildlife and beauty, but this area was also once rich agricultural land. Now this research looks at what can grow here naturally after non-native grasses are removed. Years back, fescue was grown here for livestock, but the UTIA research looks at replacing fescue with more native vegetation, allowing what's called the seed bank to respond with native plants that have been here all along. It's also deer, turkeys, quail, and songbirds can thrive.
We were able to increase what we call the nutritional carrying capacity for deer by at least 400% on many sites, and many wildlife species will not use fields that are dominated by these non-native grasses because of the structure that they present at ground level, and because of the general lack of cover, and because of the lack of food.
The UTIA research measures the return of native vegetation and how it's controlled and impacted by naturally set fire, tilling, and mowing.
At ground level with burning, you get more openness. It's more open and more species can use those areas. As opposed to mowing, you're kind of going to get a buildup of thatch, and you may see an increase in some grasses.
That's the hope, the return of the native kind, and results so far look good. Soon Cades Cove will be washed in autumn colors and visitors will take it all in. The goal of this study is to boost diversity in plants and animals here, and improvements in vegetation should help grateful wildlife. This is Charles Denny reporting.